Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the fuel filter on Hyundai iX35 2-liter CRDI. The fuel filter is located at the back of the battery and the ECU, just over there. So in order to get to the fuel filter we need to remove the battery and the ECU. First we start by removing the battery. Next we remove the bolts that hold the ECU. Afterwards we remove the connectors for the ECU, and then we remove the ECU. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Now that the ECU is out, we have access to the fuel filter. We need to disconnect the two hoses that go into the fuel filter. There is 2 or 3 connectors that we need to remove, and the ECU holder is held by 3 nuts that we need to remove, and then we remove the fuel filter. Here are the 3 nuts that hold the fuel filter support. We need to remove them in order to remove the fuel. Now that everything is removed, we can take out the fuel filter along with the fuel filter housing and change the fuel filter. First, we need to remove the fuel filter from its hole. Next, we're going to unscrew the sensor on the bottom to remove all the fuel from the filter. Next, we're going to unscrew the fuel filter and put on the new fuel. You only need to tighten the filter hand tight. You don't need to use any tools to tighten. Next, I'm going to fill the new filter with diesel so that I can make it easier for the supply pump to fill the new filter and bleed. And now we can put on the sensor once the filter is. Next, we put the filter onto the holder and then After we assemble everything back, we can go into the car and start the car. Before we start the car, we need to turn the ignition on and off a couple of times and wait 5-6 seconds every time we turn the ignition on, so that the fuel supply pump starts pumping and bleeding the. After 5-6 times of turning the ignition on and off, we can start. After we start the car, we can give it a little bit of gas so that we can be sure that the engine is not gonna. And that's it, the car is started. So thank you.